Hello, this is John Piper with the weekend video clip, and it's Saturday the 11th of February. We're starting with a chart of silver today. Interesting chart. However, before we look at that, I want to make a quick announcement. We're going to hold an A-B Krautgat seminar/conference in May of 2017. The price will be $397, but I'm not giving away. I'm selling 20 half-price tickets at $197. So if anybody's interested in that, would like to come along to the seminar at half the price, then please click on the link in the email. Also, if you'd be happy to give a small presentation, maybe 5 or 10 minutes on your experiences with A-B, then that price is reduced by a further 50%. I'm hoping that some people will speak. Clearly, be a good opportunity for people who trade Krautgat A-B to meet each other. Hear about latest research, trading tips, all this kind of thing. So it should be an extremely useful session. I'm planning to hold this in either Dorking or in London. When the final date is announced, you can't make it, then a full refund will be available of the money paid, and I'll probably throw in a free bonus for that. So I hope that's quite a good deal, and please sign up. Now, looking at this, all right, turning to this chart of silver, this is the daily chart. You can see the move here. I'm counting as wave 1. The move here, which I'm counting as wave 2, and you see the 200-day moving average here. So we're now just probing that, and the average is clearly of some importance. You'll see the support there, support there, support there, and now it's proving to be resistance, but only in the short term at this point in time. Let's go down a leg. This is the hourly chart. This is the 200 hourly moving average. Obviously provided quite a good little signal there if you use the 200-hour moving average. Not sure how valid that might be. You'll see we had a sell-off yesterday, but very quickly buyers came in and pushed it out, which is a very positive sign, right up to the 200-day moving average. So the 18 level is very important at this point in time, and we need to see that taken out. Let's have a look at the action since the beginning of the year. All right, with gold and silver, there are so many waves up. Sometimes it's quite difficult to actually count what's going on, but that's quite a good sharp thrust. That could be a 3, so maybe a 4 there. That could be a 5. That's a good 5-wave pattern. 1, 2. So maybe that's a 1, 2, 3. Gets a bit messy here, but obviously quite a nice impulsive thrust. ABC. I'm kind of a 2-wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's wave 1 of 3. Wave 2 of 3. 1, 2. So this could be the third of a third coming in now. If so, it's going to be dramatic. It's going to take out that moving average, and that could be an excellent trade. This move actually stopped me out on gold, not on silver. Differently whether to add at this point or not. I did actually add a little bit with quite a tight stop. But the chart pattern is pretty clear here. You really want to be long. Obvious stop is below 1750, thereabouts. And it could all happen next week, in fact, the way that is a very positive count on silver. Alright, gold is similar, but not quite as clear. If that's a 1, this is an A, B, C, 2. 200-day moving average is still above us, around 1260, trending down a little bit. Got a similar count. We'll go down to the so a similar count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rather short, sharp ABC. I just think it could be a 1-wave up to there, so we could see an ABC on gold. Not as positive as silver. This buying response yesterday was not as positive at all, but still looking positive. Yes, basically, this is the beginning. It's wave 1 of the third wave. Then once this correction is over, then we sort of again see some pretty solid action. Could be next week. Of course, we have got expiry next week. That tends to be a bit quieter. Options expiry, futures expiry. So perhaps a week after, but certainly, it looks like the next couple of weeks should be when this move starts. So I'll certainly be looking to add to positions during that time. All right, China's important right now as well. We've got a clear 5 waves here off the peak. We've also got an ABC into that peak. I'm not showing longer term, this is the daily chart. And we've also got an ABC off this. What we haven't got is a clear reversal pattern at this point. So once that comes in, this could be a major sell signal on the Chinese market. So the low here is 3240 approximately. It's approximately 3580, I think 3590 maybe. So 350 odd points. So 175. Add on to that, takes us around this level here. That'd be a 50% retracement. So a reversal here could be imminent, and that could be a fairly dramatic sign for the year to come. The Chinese market's had a huge fall last year. It's had a corrective rally, and it's now looking like it's about to reverse again. So I'll just show you the longer term here before I leave this market. This is a weekly chart. This is the 2015 peak. Sorry, it was 2015 we saw the sharp decline. Huge, great decline. A, B, and now there's a really feeble C wave type thing. And then and from there I've just shown you the pattern. So what looks like a wave 1, a wave 2 still going on, but very close to a reversal pattern. China's not the ideal market to trade. You've got the problem with the spread, IG charge, with the hours, etc. So not for everybody, but that looks like a solid reversal pattern in the making. Again, with a resolution in the next week or two. All right, finally today the DAX. We had this peak there. We had 5 waves off that peak. A clearly defined 5 waves. Then had a corrective rally, which actually formed a triangle of sorts, quite a short, abrupt triangle. We then sold off. I had an extreme stop below here with a 50-point stop. Actually got stopped out, I think around here somewhere. But now we've got an ABC. The pattern is nowhere near as clear. That goes for most equity markets right now. Seem to be sort of probing higher. I did speak to Bill Adlar during the week. He reckons we're in a fourth wave and fifth wave sequence, building some quite major peak later this year. Exactly when this year is not quite so clear, but this market still looks rather negative. I mean, I guess this is an ABC at the moment, ABC. So this has a potential to be new impulsive action, which will fit in with 4s and 5s on the Dow, but all a bit unclear and uncertain. So we'll see how things go. But gold, silver, and certainly China look pretty clear, and it's best to stick with the signals that look good rather than fiddling around the markets that aren't really giving you what you want. So on that note, I'll call it a day. Hope that I look forward to seeing some of you at the conference in May on A-B Kraut Gap. Thanks for listening. Have a great day, have a great weekend, and bye for now.